Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to get a soundboard in your PC. So first open one of your browsers and search for voice mod. Now you just need to go to the official website of voice mod and you will need to create an account beforehand, or you can just click on download for free. There are several methods to create your voice mod account. I'll just go ahead and click on my Google account. So here I will choose my account like that and click on continue. So after that, it will automatically start downloading voice mode. Here, as you can see, it has already downloaded the voice mod installer exe file. Go ahead and click on it and start install. So for that, you need to go and select the language. And now you need to open your setup dialog box and click on next. So just accept the agreement. Next. So you can also change the location of your installation. I would like to keep it default, so next. So I just want it in my quick launch shortcut, not in my desktop. If you want it in your desktop, you can check this box. After that, click on next and install. So it will start installing your voice mod in your PC. So now, once your voice mod is opened, just click on get started, click on next, and you're done. So now here are multiple features to be used, but we don't need these right now because we are here for the soundboards. So now you can use the soundboard to your Discord, or you can even add this to your OBS if you record your games and stuffs with OBS Studio. So if you're using Discord, then what I recommend you to do is go to your Discord app beforehand and go to your user settings, the gear icon next to your profile. So now you need to go to your app settings and click on voice and video. So here in input device, you need to make sure that voice mode virtual audio device is selected. You need to select voice mode, and now next you need to scroll down and toggle the bar equal cancellation, and you need to make sure that you have no separation. You need to click on this because sometimes the sound coming from the soundboard from a voice mod is cancelled due to the noise separation. So just keep that on none and make sure that you have the correct input device here, the voice mod. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.